So we have mathematics paper 1 2024 internal. This paper is for last year, as you can see, and we are dealing with question 13 on functions. So we're dealing with question 13 on functions. Yeah. So the question reads, given that f of x is equal to 3x plus 5 and g of x is equal to x plus 4 divided by 3, find g inverse of x. So to find our g inverse of x, our first thing that should be in our head is to make that function, which is g of x, we let it equal to y, and we simplify the function and we make x the subject of the formula. So let's put everything into action now. So our first step, we know that g of x is equal to x plus 4 over 3. So as I said, to find the inverse, which is g inverse of x, so we are finding the inverse of g of x. So we're going to let this function, this one, we let it equal to y. So we're going to say let y equal to g of x, and we know that g of x is this one. So we're going to say y is equal to x plus 4 over 3. Here we're going to use our mathematics analogy to simplify the equation and make x subject of the formula. So we're going to say this is same as it's divisible by 1. We're going to cross multiply and say 3y is equal to, that multiplies with that, it will be x plus 4. Second step is just to make x subject to the formula, which means we are going to take this, come this side, so that we remain with x this side. We are going to say 3y minus 4 is equal to our x. This has changed the sign because it has crossed the equal sign. So if it is positive, we have to change it to negative. If it is negative, we have to change it to positive. So here it's same as x is equal to 3y minus 4. Now we are done with the equation. It's just to make now things happen. So this x is our inverse that we want. So I'm just going to replace where there is x, we put g, let me show you, g of x, and where there is y, we put x, and that's our answer. So we replace here, going to say g inverse of x is equal to, here we replace with x, so it will be 3x minus 4, and that's our answer, meaning that this is the inverse of this g of x.